Hello, good morning children. Day before yesterday, we learned about the map, world map. Okay, on the world map, we have marked the continents and the oceans. Today, we are going to learn about the Indian map or states of India and their capitals. So, now see what is okay, what is the name of our country? What is the India and states and capitals. India, states and capitals. India, states and capitals. So, what is the name of our country? India. What is the name of our country? First question. What is the name of our country? Okay. The name of our country is India. The name of our country is India. Or India is the name of our country. India is the name of our country. Okay. India is the name of our country. So India is having other names also. What is that? Hindustan. And other name is Bharat or Bharata Desamu. So India is having the three names. What is that? India, Bharat, Hindustan. Okay. So I am writing. So other names. Okay. Other names called as Hindustan. And Bharat. Okay, these are the names of our country. So India, Bharat, Hindustan. Three names are there for India. Okay, for everyone. So for us also, okay, school name one will be, and other name at home our parents will call. Okay, with pet name. So like that, North India is having, so why it is called as Bharat? Because the great ruler Bharatudu ruled our country, that's why it is called as Bharata Desamu or Bharat. Okay, so here, what is how many states are there? Actually, where India is located? India is located in Asia continent. So, India is located in Asian continent. But if you wanted to locate India, you must tell the latitudes and longitudes. Roughly I am telling, not exactly. India is located between 8 degrees to 38 degrees and 67 degrees to 97 degrees. Okay, so that is the location of India. Okay, roughly we can say on the world map. Okay, on the world map, India is located in Asia continent and between the latitudes of north latitudes of the 8 degrees to that is 38 degrees and 67 degrees to 97 degrees. That is the location of India. So here, so far, India is divided into number of states. Why? Because for the purpose of good administration. If the India is whole will be ruled by one person, it is not possible to know the problems of all the area people. So that's why India is divided into number of states. How many states are there in India? Now at present 28 states are there. So how many states are there? Here I am going to write. So first question you note down and next question, India, how many states are there in India? But today our topic is India states and its capital. India states and its capital. Second question is, how many states are there? This is the second point. How many states are there in India? How many states are there in India? At present. Okay, at present. Okay, so in India, 28 states are there. 28 states are there. Okay, answer. 28 states states are there in India. Okay. Then how many union territories are there? Third question. How many union territories are there in India? How many union territories are there in India at present? Okay, so 28 states are there. Actually, at the beginning, only 40 union territories are there, 14 states are there, only few union territories are there. But the demand of the people asked to separate the states based on their long way. That's why 28 states recently. Actually, okay, when the Telangana and India is separate, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh is separated. At that time, it was become as a 29 states. But in the last year, 2019, August, okay, 5th, they made the Jammu and Kashmir as union territories. How many union territories? Jammu and Kashmir is divided into 2 union territories. One is Jammu and Kashmir, another is Ladakh. So that's why the number of states are decreased. Okay, then last year, that is 2019. Okay, in the month of August 5th, 2019, August 5th, Jammu and Kashmir is divided into 2 union territories. That is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. That's why union territories before that 7 union territories are there. Those were become as a 9 union territories. Then in the year 2020, January 26th, okay, Daman and Diu and Dadra Nagar Haveli were mixed together and made as a single union territory, and 1 union territory was reduced and was becoming as a 8 union territories. So how many union territories are there? 8 are there at present, and 28 states are there. Now we are going to learn about the states and their capitals. What are the states? Okay, now we see the states. Okay, we are learning in a alphabetical order. It is very easy for us. Okay, so states, capitals. So how many union territories are there at present? 8 union territories are there. 8 union territories are there. Okay, we are learning about these union territories tomorrow, and first we are going to learn about the states and their capitals. So we are learning this one in a alphabetical order. It is very easy to remember. Okay, so here first state we can write as a Andhra Pradesh. First one is state and capitals. First state is Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh. What is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? This is a dispute now. What is that? Amaravati. So it was recognized by Andhra people when the Andhra was separated, and it was taken in the last government that Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. But still now the at present government is telling that we are going to divide the capital into 3: executive, secretariat, and also then what you call court. So they wanted to keep one executive in what you call Vizag, and Amaravati, okay, that is secretariat in what you call Amaravati and in Guntur district, and also Kadapa is the high court. So anyhow the capital is not decided. At present we can say Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati is the capital. Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Okay, first one. Next one is Arunachal Pradesh. Where is the Andhra Pradesh? We can mark here Andhra Pradesh. That is the state. Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Okay, next Amaravati. Amaravati. Capital is, okay. So we learn in the symbols. Whenever we are going to mark the capitals, we must mark with dot. Okay, dot is the symbol. Okay. Andhra Pradesh, we can mark like this also. Both same place, it is very difficult for us. So we can mark the Amaravati. This is Andhra Pradesh. We should not go deep because it is Telangana. Andhra Pradesh. So whenever you mark this, if you draw a box, it seems to be very good. When you are marking anything, or if you mark anything in the biology or any diagram, you give the what we call box for that word. Okay, label when you are labeling. Like that only in social studies. Okay, if you mark the capital or state, you must mark it and write outside and draw a box for it, and it seems to be very nice and get the good marks. And so we are going to mark the capital Amaravati. Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Andhra Pradesh, Amaravati. Okay. This is. Next one is, okay, Assam. Where the Assam is? Here. Assam. Assam capital is Dispur. Dispur. This also we have to put the box. It seems to be very nice. Okay, Assam. Okay, so if you draw the box, seems to be nice. Okay, we written two. One is Andhra Pradesh, another is Assam. Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Dispur is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh. And next one is, okay, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh. Arunachal Pradesh, we can go here. Pradesh. For that capital is Itanagar. We can write here Itanagar. Okay, then you put a box. It is also put in the box. So now we can understand that three states are start with A. What is that? Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, and Assam. Okay, so Arunachal Pradesh, and its capital is Itanagar. Itanagar. And Assam is the capital is Dispur. Okay, here you observe Andhra Pradesh is located in South India. Arunachal Pradesh and Assam are located in the northeastern countries. Assam and Arunachal Pradesh are northeastern countries, and Andhra Pradesh is South Indian state. How in the South India? Okay, if here Vindhya and Satpura mountains are there, and also Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, and it divides the India into two parts. One is North India, and another is South India. Andhra Pradesh is located in South India. Okay, and Arunachal Pradesh and Itanagar. Itanagar is the capital of Arunachal Pradesh, and Dispur is the capital of Assam. Assam and Arunachal Pradesh are the northeastern countries. And what is this location? Here you observe Brahmaputra river flows, and here also mountains ranges are there. Himalayan mountain ranges are continuous, and here heavy rains. And here we can find the climate, terai type of climate. So here completely wet type of climate can be found in these areas. So here, because of the Brahmaputra river, it is going, okay, it is over flooded, and it is a flood prone area. Flood prone zone. Okay, so like that Assam and Arunachal Pradesh both are having heavy rains and also floods are more taken place in this. Floods are recurring every year. Floods will be taken place in these two states. Okay, these are affected by, and also here hilly terrains, not the place, hilly terrains means up and down rocky areas and steep slopes will be there in these two states. And next one is fourth state is Bihar. 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 Bihar capital is Patna. Bihar capital is Patna. Where is the Bihar? We can see here. Here the Bihar. Its capital is Patna. Patna. Okay? Patna. Bihar capital is Patna. So B, that is the state we start with B is Bihar. Okay, ma? Bihar capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh. Okay. Next state is Chhattisgarh. 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 Okay, for this capital is Chhattisgarh is the state and its capital is, this is which state? Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. 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 Where it is located? It is previously it is not there. Nowadays it was marked here. Okay. So Chhattisgarh is made a part. So Madhya Pradesh is the big one, and in the 2002 the Madhya Pradesh is divided into two states and it is Chhattisgarh. Chhattisgarh. Okay, Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Raipur, okay. Here, capital. Capital is Raipur. Chhattisgarh capital is Raipur. Okay, here I written. So first state is Andhra Pradesh, second one is Arunachal Pradesh, third one is Assam, fourth one is Bihar, fifth one is Chhattisgarh, sixth one is Gujarat. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar, after the name of our beloved father of the nation, Gandhinagar. Where the Gujarat? Here. This three. If you write the three volta. See, we write like this. Okay, volta. Then it is called as Gujarat. Okay, we can write here. Otherwise, we can write like this. We can write Gujarat. Okay, its capital is Gandhinagar. 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 Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Okay, na? So now, Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat. Gujarat after, Goa. Goa capital is Panaji. Okay, what is the Goa is the smallest state. Goa is the smallest state. And its capital is Panaji. I told you already that have to put the box for this. Okay, ma? So, Goa, Panaji. Okay, next one is Haryana. Okay, that is the 8th state. Haryana, okay, Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Okay, Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Okay, then Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. Okay, so here what that? Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, okay, Assam, Bihar, and Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Goa, Haryana. Okay, Haryana. Haryana capital Chandigarh. Chandigarh. Is it Delhi? Okay. Chandigarh. Okay. Chandigarh. Chandigarh. Chandigarh is the capital of Haryana. So Haryana, Chandigarh. How many are completed? 8 are completed. Okay. Okay. Again I am telling. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Assam, Dispur. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Goa, Panaji. Haryana, Chandigarh. Here you observe. Okay. Andhra Pradesh, Amravati. Assam, Dispur. Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Bihar, Patna. Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Gujarat, Gandhinagar. Goa, Panaji. Haryana, Chandigarh. Okay, 8 states are completed. Again, we write up. Okay, here. Again, Haryana. Next one is Himachal Pradesh. Next one is Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Simla. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Ninth one is Himachal Pradesh. Capital Simla. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Himachal Pradesh, so aware of this because it is a confusion for us. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, Simla. This is Himachal Pradesh. And its capital is Simla. You have to observe while writing and put dot. Okay, put the dot. Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Okay, so now 9 states are completed. And 10th state is okay, Himachal Pradesh, Haryana. Okay, Haryana, Chandigarh. 10th one is Haryana. Its capital is Chandigarh. Okay, already. Okay, Haryana, Chandigarh. Haryana, Chandigarh over. 8th one, Jharkhand. I have read Jharkhand. 10th one. Sorry, Jharkhand. 10th one. Haryana completed. Okay, Chandigarh, Jharkhand. 10th one, Jharkhand. This capital is Ranchi. Okay, Ranchi. Chandigarh, Ranchi. Chandigarh, sorry. Okay, Jharkhand, Ranchi. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Okay, it is made from, this state was made from the Bihar. Okay, Bihar part is Jharkhand. Okay, down to Bihar, if you come to the Bihar, here, here, this is the Jharkhand. Jharkhand. Okay, this is the capital capital of Jharkhand? Ranchi. Ranchi is the capital of Jharkhand. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand. Okay, Himachal Pradesh, Simla. Jharkhand, Ranchi. Okay, ma. Next one is 11th one. 11th one is Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bangalore. Karnataka capital is Bangalore. Karnataka capital is Bangalore. Okay. Karnataka capital is Bangalore. So, Andhra Pradesh opposite Karnataka. Here Karnataka. Karnataka is also a what state? South Indian state. South Indian state. Okay. Its capital is Bangalore. Bangalore is the capital of Karnataka. Karnataka capital is Bangalore. Karnataka capital is Bangalore. Okay. Then Karnataka next. Kerala. Kerala capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. So Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Okay? Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Where it is located? Okay, it is also a South Indian country. It's a South Indian state. It is located in the south part of the Karnataka. South part of Karnataka. Here. Okay, this is Kerala. Its capital is Thiruvananthapuram. So for this also we put the box. Okay, Kerala and Bangalore. Okay, so it is also South India. Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. So this is the one state according to my level. Okay, next one is Maharashtra. Next one is Maharashtra. What is the Maharashtra capital? Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Okay, we know very well now Mumbai because now COVID is too much in that area. Okay, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Okay, Maharashtra, where it is Maharashtra? So, here the Maharashtra. Mumbai is, okay, this is the Maharashtra. 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 This is Maharashtra. This is here the, see how I am marking? I put dot for capital, Mumbai. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Maharashtra, Mumbai. Again I am telling Himachal Pradesh, Simla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram, Maharashtra, Mumbai. Now, next one is Manipur. Okay, Manipur. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Okay, ma. Today we learn 30 states and capitals and also we mark on the India map. And tomorrow we are going to continue the remaining states and the capitals. Thank you children. Have a nice day.